Hey everyone, today, we'll be testing the MOBVOI TicWatch E3, a smartwatch with a plethora of amazing features that is both powerful and reasonably priced. This wristwatch may suit your needs whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just searching for a dependable companion for daily use. Please remember to subscribe to and support our channel before we begin. The description contains all the information. The TicWatch E3 has an easy-to-use, straightforward appearance. The 1.3-inch LCD display that comes with it has a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. Although it lacks the bezel-less, svelte appearance of more costly models, its marginally broader bezels allow for simple, clear reading of data and notifications. The watch is constructed with a sturdy plastic casing, and comes in black with interchangeable silicone straps. Even though it doesn't feel as high-end as its metal rivals, its lightweight appearance makes it suitable for everyday use. There are two physical buttons on the side that make navigation simple. Additionally, you may wear it comfortably in the rain or even while swimming, thanks to its IP68 water and dust protection. Because of its utilitarian appearance, the TicWatch E3 is a great option for those looking for a smartwatch that is both economical and functional without any extra features. The Snapdragon Wear 4100 engine, which comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, powers the TicWatch E3. Whether you're tracking your workouts, navigating apps, or getting notifications, this combination delivers seamless performance. As an added benefit, the watch will be compatible with the forthcoming Wear OS 3 update, so you can look forward to new features and enhancements in the future. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 are supported by the watch to ensure dependable smartphone connectivity. The extensive range of functions for tracking exercise and health is one of its most notable aspects. Apps like TicZen and TicBreathe are available. They track stress levels and offer breathing exercises as necessary. Additionally, it has an optical heart rate monitor and a blood oxygen sensor for real-time pulse tracking while exercising or going about your daily business. Running, swimming, and yoga are just a few of the more than 20 sports modes available on the TicWatch E3, making it an ideal workout partner. It uses Google's Wear OS, just like previous MOBVOI smartwatches, and integrates easily with Google Fit and other well-known fitness applications. Even without using your phone, you can keep track of your workouts. Under typical circumstances, the 380 mAh battery capacity of the watch allows for up to 2 days of use. This covers fitness tracking and heart rate monitoring. Power-saving settings and feature deactivation can help you prolong the battery life. You can extend the battery life even further by using the Essential mode, which turns on when the battery is low, and shows basic information like the time, date, steps, and heart rate. Using the magnetic charger that comes with the device, charging takes roughly 1.5 hours. All things considered, the MOBVOI TicWatch E3 is a great purchase given its pricing. Although it lacks the upscale materials and incredibly tiny bezels of more expensive smartwatches, its robust functionality, extensive health tracking capabilities, and future-proof updates make it a desirable choice for users on a tight budget. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tech-related insights if you like this review. I appreciate you reading, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new watch? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.